just being detoured around the work project outside of Hedley. This is on Highway 3, the bridge project over top of 20 Mile Creek. Oh, we're actually going to go on the new piece by the looks of it. Yeah, they've built this up. Yeah, we're on the other side this morning, so we're actually they've actually paved this since we were on this earlier today. So we actually get to ride on top of the new bridge. They've got railings on both sides, and we're going to end up joining the road again back onto the highway here momentarily. Yeah, single lane traffic at this point, but who knows, it might be full traffic dual lane here probably in a few days.